Good afternoon from snowy Minnesota. Oh my gosh, I did my last Dynamax Lugia for the day, and you won't believe what we just got. Brr, let's go! 2102, and it's a shiny. Oh my gosh, 2115 is a hundo, so this is a pretty good shiny. Oh boy, can't throw the ball. We got a wet screen here. Okay, hold on. Whoop! We got a wet screen here. Here we go. Oh gosh. Oh boy. We're throwing like sausages. Okay. All right, I can't really throw the screen. Okay, this is gonna be tough. On a wet screen, can we do it? Oh no. I gotta lock in. Gotta lock in on this cold weather. We got it. Nice throw. Should be automatic catch, right? Uno, dos, y tres. Yay! Magnifico! Let's go! Excelente! Boom! Oh, that's good. 15, 11, 15. That's an 89. Dude, that's dope. Boss, let's go. Haha! That's sick. All right, guys. Hope you guys had a great day. It's snowing here. I'll show you guys some of the snowy winter cap. It's snowing here in St. Paul. It's pretty snowy over here. You got Handsome Hog. You got Nina's Coffee over there. You got the YWCA. It's cold out there, guys, so stay warm. I can't believe we got it finally. Let's go. Let's freaking go, man. Oh, man, what a clutch. Last one for the day. Yo. Clutch. Let's go. Who we got on the message for? We got Jessica Havoc. Cool. My life's been hectic. Cool. All right. Anyways, guys, like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. We're gonna head back to the apartment. We got to get away out of this cold. It's cold here, guys. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Happy post Black Friday. Hope you guys got your shopping done for the holidays. And oh boy, it's hard to. Let's do Greninja. Power this up a little bit. 2 power-ups. Bada bing, bada boom. We're slowly powering this up. Greninja. It's a 93 Greninja. I got in a lucky trade. Very excited about that. Oh my gosh, there's a bird. Oh fuck, okay. Oh fuck, it's a bird. Okay, here we go. Bonus coverage, we got a bird. Okay. That was a bad throw, but let's see if we get it, guys. 1. No. More. Oh, we got a second chance. Oh shit, okay. All right, let's get this. Let's see if we get this bird for you guys, huh? Okay, I'm nervous. Here we go. Oh, that was a bad throw. Okay, it's hard with this phone because it's all watered. Okay, here we go. Oh gosh, it's like hard to throw because it's all watery. Okay, here we go, guys. Bonus coverage. We got a Moltres on the incense. Not shiny, but just some bonus coverage for you guys. It's very hard to catch these legendary birds, but you try your best. That was a bad throw. Oh my gosh. All right, I gotta lock in here. Oh no. Okay, lock in. Oh no. It's hard to throw with this phone being so wet. Oh. All right, great throw. Locking in. 1, no, and poof. Bye-bye. Anyways, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.